Okay, y'all, I'm gonna take you on a tour of my sewing area. Okay, walking in, I've got a light tracer down there. I've got a trash can by every sewing machine. This is my serger area where I do my serging. And this is some Cricut vinyl that I have. I've got lamps by every machine. I've got sewing supply books, quilting books. I've got Cricut cartridges up here, paper, more vinyl. And this is my cover lock machine. I just pull it down on this desk when I'm ready to use it so the kids can play here. Then I've got another lamp here. I've got my Cricut and my pressing mat and my heat press stored up here. I've got this pattern cabinet. I've had it forever. I bought it from a place when they were going out of business. You can see all the old patterns that I have. And over here I've got canvases, I've got tools, and this is mainly for the grandkids. They like to craft over here with beads and stuff. And there's all their papers and stuff down there, or paint brushes. I throw out a big sheet for them to paint on. And I've got little paint shirts under here. I've got a tackle box right here that I have a lot of embellishments in. And this is my sewing area for my FOF. I've had this for 21, 22 years and it still sews great. I've got all my pins and stuff here. My brother made me this bobbin holder. You just put it to the top, whichever one you want, and then you can slide this out and pick whichever bobbin you want. That's cool. And then in these drawers, in this top drawer, I have threads and all my supplies, scissors, feet. And in these drawers, I have my thread categorized by color. Here. You can't see in that one. It's my junk drawer. Got a lamp up here. Got these nice big windows shining light in. This is up on the second floor. And here I've got a 6-foot long banquet table, and it's very nice. I've got a cutting mat here, a rotary mat, and this is where I do all my cutting. This is got some decorations up there. I've got all this scrap material here for quilting, and I keep a card table back there for the grandkids. This is a big closet, and the mirrors are nice when I'm doing a fitting for my alterations for the girls. Got more material in here. Prom dresses, cheerleading suits, left over. Got more material here. Y'all, I've got a lot of material. And I've got a bunch of rulers hanging in here. Isn't that cute? My friend gave me that. Got an old featherweight sewing machine. And this is all of my embroidery threads. And down here is my cone thread for my serger. I've got another matching shelving unit over here that matches that one. I haven't had those long. Got lots of button and old wooden spools. Got lots of embroidery cards. My mom loved Kimber Bell, so I got a lot of her things. More supplies. Another chair for the grandkids. And then you'll notice these walls, the way they come in, you couldn't really put the cutting table or anything down here because you hit your head every time you get up. So I have all these totes, and it's got all my material in them. I've got like white cottons, printed cottons, plaid cottons. I made this, so much fabric, so little time, and embroidered that and made the little bucket. I've got printed cottons, solid cottons. I've got knits down here. I've got fleece, denim, upholstery all back here. Some pillow forms back there. This is my ironing station. Got some ironing hams down there with my starch, and got a lamp here that shines on the ironing board, and it also shines on my embroidery machine over here. I've got another pattern cabinet over here, and we mainly keep paints and stuff in it. I've got a dress form here that I can do fitting on. I call her Headless Hilda. More quilting books, sewing patterns, sewing books, quilting books. My mom made this Kimberbell quilt for me. And then here I have a Brother embroidery machine. It's an Anovus 5100. And you can switch out the embroidery machine. It's a regular sewing machine also, so it's just wonderful. And then I've got this little matching cabinet here that has a bunch of supplies in it. I keep my embroidery hoops down here, another tackle box with all the feet in it, another trash can. So that's really awesome. So basically, you don't need all this room. I am very blessed to have it. But you mainly just need a little sewing station, and you can get away with just doing it on a little table or a desk like that. You do need an area to cut out on, but you could do that on your dining table. You need an ironing station to where you can do your ironing, pressing. And tackle boxes are the bomb. I use them for a lot of stuff, but you could just keep your supplies in a tote, and that's about all you need. Thanks for touring my sewing room.